Hi fellow beaders, it's JP and I am posting a video on Tuesday because I wanted to talk about something new that I'm going to start for my channel, and that is the bead challenge. So every month I plan on challenging myself in making a advanced project that I will then continue to post the progress of this project every week. As I do my regular Friday tutorials, you'll see what I've been doing with the challenge. But before I do that, I wanted to talk about a few things that I'm currently working on, and if you guys want to see tutorials on these, I'll be happy to do them. But I didn't want to go ahead and do kind of these are pretty involved tutorials because these are slightly more advanced projects. Some of them are anyway. And so if people are showing an interest, I will be more than happy to show you. So one of the ones that I'm working on right now is this bracelet. I ran out of thread, so I have to add in more thread so I can work these pearls. And these are freshwater 6mm pearls that I need to work with. Anyway, it's a flat spiral bracelet, but I've actually done, it's a triple. So I've actually done 3 rows of it. I know that several other beading channels have shown tutorials on how to do just the single row. I wanted, of course, something really fancy and blinged out. As you can see, this just really has a great deal of sparkle and bling to it. And I decided to do a triple. Plus I had these pearls that I bought on a whim, and I hadn't figured out what to do with them. Finally, I came up with this bracelet. And I think it's going to turn out really great. A couple things that I still have to work out, one of which is getting this clasp on. This is the clasp I want to use, and as you can see, the bracelet is wider than my clasp, but so I'm going to have to come up with a creative way to kind of narrow the bracelet and get the clasp on. So this is my current project, and when I finish it, I will show you what it looks like when it's finished. Another thing that I'm working on that I was playing with was this bracelet. It's going to be another bracelet, and this is using rondelles and super duo beads, and it's a herringbone stitch bracelet. I wanted to create something to go with my earrings, so if you recall, I did a tutorial on how to make these earrings, and so I still have beads left over, so I thought, well, I'd make a nice matching bracelet to go with it. Anyway, I will finish that at some point and show you what I come up with. I don't think I want to do just herringbone all the way through. I think I might do something else, maybe do blocks of it. So I don't know yet. Anyway, so this is a in-progress piece. Okay, so for the bead challenge, what is the challenge? So I bought these beads. These are amethyst beads, and these are 10mm beads. And I bought them, it was an impulse buy. Kind of bought them on a whim, and I thought, well, I don't know, I'll come up with something. But they've been sitting in my box for a few years now, at least 3 to 4 years. And I haven't come up with anything. But what I'm going to do is challenge myself to make a necklace. And I generally don't make necklaces because I don't actually like to wear necklaces very much. I wear rings, earrings, bracelets, no problem. But for some reason, necklaces aren't usually my first thought, especially when it comes to making a bead project. So recently I was playing with maybe bezeling the beads, which is what I did here, and I made like a little pendant or a little component of some kind. Anyway, so the challenge I've challenged myself is to come up with a project, some type of necklace, by the end of the month. And I will post my progress every week when I post my tutorials on Friday. So I'll probably have a little bit showing what the progress is. And so if you would like to bead with me, the challenge is that you need to come up with some 10mm beads. They don't have to be amethyst beads like these are. Anything will do, pearls, any kind of round bead, but you need a 10mm round bead. And I say, let's make a necklace together. So everybody come up with some type of necklace. I have about 7, 8 So you don't have to necessarily use the same number of beads. You just gotta, you can do a necklace with just one bead if that's all you got. There's no number limit on the beads you gotta use. But just come up with a necklace design using a 10mm bead, any type of round bead. Anyway, that's the challenge for the month of September 2014. And let's all just see what happens. Please post on my Facebook page. You guys are welcome to post the beads that you're starting with and then your work in progress, just like I'll be posting. So I'll also be posting pictures on my Facebook page. All right, beaders. Well, I will post a new tutorial on Friday, and enjoy the rest of your week.